Good morning, Year 3. I hope you're all well. Mr. Grocott here with some more maths for you. Today, we're going to focus on converting between centimetres and millimetres. So yesterday, we found out that 100 centimetres was equal to a metre. Today, we're going to look at how 10 millimetres is equal to 1 centimetre. So here we are, I've got that written down. 1 centimetre equals 10 millimetres. So how much is 2 centimetres worth? Well, if 1 centimetre is worth 10 millimetres, this centimetre must also be worth 10 millimetres. And 2 10s put together are 20 millimetres. Okay, nice and easy, isn't it? Same with this one here, we've got 50 millimetres. Well, we know that 10 millimetres, as it's split into, each one is worth 1 centimetre. And that, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it gives me 5 centimetres. Okay. So now that we've had a little practice, now that you've seen how it's done, see if you can figure out the answer to these 3 questions. And welcome back if you paused. So, 6 centimetres. For that one, you should have ended up with the answer 60 millimetres. For 2 centimetres, well, we did that one before, it's 20 millimetres. And then for 90 millimetres, why, that must be 9 centimetres. As you can see, going from centimetres to millimetres, we times it by 10. Or going from millimetres to centimetres, we divide it by 10. Same with this one, as we did yesterday, we're going to split it up. We're going to split it into some centimetres and millimetres. So we've got 47. Well, if we've got 40 millimetres, we can make 4 centimetres. We can't make any more centimetres with the 7 millimetres we've got left, so that has to stay separate. So my 47 millimetres can be split into 4 centimetres and 7 millimetres. See if you can split these ones up and put them back together again. And welcome back if you paused. So, 1 centimetre and 8 millimetres equals how many millimetres? Well, 1 centimetre is worth 10 millimetres. Add on 8, well, that must be 18 millimetres. 704 millimetres, now that's a big one. With 700, I could make 70 centimetres. Because if 70 millimetres gives me 7 centimetres, then 700 millimetres must give me 70 centimetres. And then I've got 4 millimetres left over, so I just write the number 4. Well done if you got those right. Now, as you can see before, we had this yesterday. This time we're doing centimetres instead of metres. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps to get up. So each of these is worth how many millimetres? Well, if here is 10 millimetres, 10 divided by 10, each dose must be worth 1 millimetre. Okay? So let's put that in. 1 millimetre equals 1 jump. So what will A be? Well, let's work it out. 1 millimetre, 2 millimetres, 3 millimetres, 4 millimetres, 5 millimetres. So that is 5 millimetres. Okay? It's not 50 millimetres because that would mean that it's 5 centimetres there. And it can't be 5 centimetres there because there's 1 centimetre. Let's see if we can work out B. So we've got 1 centimetre, so we've got 10 millimetres already because we want the answer in millimetres. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13 millimeters. See if you can solve C by yourself. And welcome back if you paused. Now there's two ways you could have done this. You could have started from 10 and counted up to where the arrow is. Or you could have started at 2 centimeters, which we know is 20 millimeters, and gone down 1. So 20 millimeters take away 1 would be 19 millimeters. Well done if you got that answer. Nice and easy again today. Silver is questions 1 to 3, gold is questions 4 to 6, and platinum is on your separate sheet. If you do have any questions, please give us an email and let us know. Have a good day. Bye.